Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how you can double space your sentences in Word. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you would need to have your Word open up. So let's say I have two sentences. So this is the first sentences. The second one would be breakfast. So currently there is a single space between these two sentences. If you want to make a double space, you would have to click on this icon and then click on 2.0. So the space between the two sentences should be double. And that is how you can double space your sentences. Thank you.